Hi friends, and I hope you had a good trading day yesterday. Yesterday we traded in Bank Nifty 44,300. Uh, we in fact I think first time it moved about to 66 and it made a high of 400 or so. So good trading day. We also traded on Fin Nifty uh, because the premiums were low. 19600. This gave us from 160. The opportunity was about 200. Sorry, 120. For 128, the opportunity was 200. So if you see, it has today Fin Nifty uh, move has moved steadily, and later it retested this level of 19,788 and moved down. So tomorrow I would want to see how this price moves, the price action is made. Basis that I would make a uniform decision. Uh, we might see that price may be stuck for some time over here. Uh, it will definitely the big players will definitely test this high price of 19,788, which is a very crucial level for the market. So depending on how long the price sustains, then we will be able to decide whether this can move or on the upside or on the lower side. Now I'm slightly, I can say I'm expecting a bullish move. It may test up to 19,830 also. However, the time spent at this area will determine where the price can go. Uh, now we are looking at 19,750. If this 19,750, I think will move above uh, 72, then we might think of adding more on the long side. So we will watch. Uh, so Fin Nifty 19750 CE above 72, 75, 6 or so, we might see targets of 120 plus or 108. So let us see how the price moves. And if you look at Bank Nifty has also been a little slightly positive. The supporting bank has been Kotak Mahindra Bank. In fact, Kotak Mahindra Bank yesterday now we are slightly bearish. We took a trade here somewhere at we bought around 17 1782, and we were able to our subscribers were able to make some profits at these zones. Uh, Now, if you see the pattern, I think what I'm expecting on Kotak. If you had seen earlier my views, I'm looking for a push down again tomorrow, maybe towards the downside. So Bank Nifty uh, may face some resistance tomorrow. Uh, this zone would for me is a very no trading zone. I would want to see if the sorry price moves here in this way and then gives upside of 40,000 or so. Now the big players may want to take the price to 44,900. We will have to see how successful they would be in taking the price here, and any reason they are not able to take the price above for 44,700, then I think the next they would try to retest the 44,000 levels on the bottom side. This I'm not talking about these prices. I'm not talking for tomorrow, but before this monthly expiry. And being a monthly expiry, there'll be huge rollovers. Market will have whipsaws, and what I can also tell you is market is not moving now in a small range. India VIX has been slowly been able to move upside, and we should see India VIX hitting 14, 14 to 16 in the couple of weeks from now. So uh, I'm not saying that market is bullish or bearish. I'm what I'm trying to say, there'll be huge moves in the market, and we will have ample opportunities to trade. Tomorrow, I'm also looking at Voltas. I might look to short this below 824. Our targets would be 820 or 818 also. So I'm not saying that, again. Please understand, these are levels which I'm looking at to trade. I'm not saying that Voltas is bearish or bullish. So we would trade by some price action. And when it comes to LTTS future, TS futures, now, primarily, you see it has been looking bullish, and people would generally say that any breakout above this, if I were looking at this chart, any breakout they would say it move up. I am slightly on a bearish side move on this particular stock. It may tend to test 4,288, and if and may trade for here for some time before any bearish move towards 4,198. So this is the view for now. State Bank of India also is been one thing you can notice. Let me just take a chart to the higher time frame. It has been trading in this range for pretty long time. Now there was a very strong up move from 448 to towards 622. Now price is consolidating and wants to decide which side for now. Uh, Now I think primarily we might see some more profitable or positive moves very slowly towards 578 to 584. So we will look for longs on the equity. You can slowly add with a stop loss, I think around 568 in the equity side. LIC housing finance also, we are looking to buy this above 421. These are all futures levels, and 420 call of September above 17, we might have targets of 20 plus. AB Capital also, though I'm slightly expecting this upside. For intraday, I'm also looking at one. Uh, we may even see it retesting the downside, and then probably take it upside. So tomorrow we will watch these stocks. Alchem, I'm looking to short uh, once this price as there is a break of the structure. Now today we went long, made some small profit on the equity. Of course, not a very great move which I thought of. So I will look to sell this stock uh, maybe tomorrow. This is the price action. Maruti on a, let me remove all this so that we have a clear. Bharati, if you see, has been very very bullish, and every dip has been actually a buy. If you remember, we were mentioning about this hitting 10,000 to 12,000. If anybody has missed out this opportunity, I think you should add this and wait patiently for the price to break out this 10,000 and hit 12,000. Uh, and also there has been an observation that this stock may split maybe in the next 6 months or so. They may consider looking to split the stock to bring in more volatility into the stock. Ambuja Cements, we are looking on the now we are looking on the bearish side. We are looking at rather, speculating where the price can move. We are looking at 440 call and put. If the call moves about 21, I would look to our targets of 24 plus. The put moves about 18.5. I would look at targets of 22 plus. Uh, The news of Reliance it has been out. Before that, we look at ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank looks very positive. Every dip of this stock is also a buy, and we should add this and hold on. It is giving us an opportunity to add four targets of 1,200 in the short term. Uh, in the coming days or so. Uh, Reliance. Let us look at the Reliance stock and the structure. If you see, notice here, this is not be able to sustain this triangle here. We seen a slight breakout today, uh, and uh, if sudden breakdown towards 4230, which was originally our target for today. uh, we will have to see whether the price, bulls are able to bring them back into this zone. If they are able to sustain, then we may form this structure and then we might see upside. However, if they are not able to take, they would have to settle down for targets of 2250, sorry, 2291 and 2200 or so. So, this is a very deciding game for Reliance. Uh, basis the move of the Reliance, we our Nifty and all the move also can be a decisive factor. Nifty, I think, has been trading at this uh, level. It has taken support currently at 19,241, uh, and then it is right now trading at 19,295 to 300. Very important levels it is trading at. Uh, primarily I'm looking to short this again, and this time we should see 19,182. Uh, if you understand markets, they are it doesn't just move up, straight up like this. It plays around, uh, uh, comes down, makes us feel that it is going a downside, and then suddenly trying to move up. So we will see how it reacts tomorrow. I'm sure our viewers have been benefited by our channel. Please do share your comments, views, how to make this more productive to you all. And thank you. Have a profit.